It's a nice sunrise. I'm in Simonstown again, just outside Cape Town. Gonna go cage diving with some sharks in False Bay. Now I think they see bronze whalers and seven-gill sharks and maybe some southern right whales quite a lot. But obviously everybody wants to see the great whites. Now after lucking out in the Komodo Islands and the Maldives, apparently the chances are slim to none, pretty much. They haven't seen any this year, and I was just talking to the guy at the desk and he said nobody's seen any great whites here for 4 years. Apparently there's a pair of orcas called port and starboard that have just been in the bay eating all the great whites. So that sucks, but I don't know, maybe I'll get lucky. Either way, just gonna load up the boat and then get going. Logistics, most places are 3,000 to 4,000 rand for a half-day trip. It's worth booking in advance. It's winter now, and I mean the weather's been so bad that apparently they've only been able to do 1 trip a week when usually it's daily, because it's just been so windy and the conditions just haven't been great. So looks like it's going to be a good day for my last weekend here, which would be a nice surprise because it's been crap for 6 weeks. Looking forward to it. Let's see.
There's the blackbirds on the island. We've got 3 cormorant species out here. Number 1.
Okay, guys, everything stays inside because sharks now and then they come and bump on the cage. So we haven't had any incidents. We don't want one today.
So a shark turned up just as we turned up. Apparently sometimes they have to wait for hours. All suited up, ready to go.
Good work, eh?
Yeah, we're gonna have to get in the water now.
Yes, that's been bitten, maybe mating scars from other sharks have bitten it. Some of them will have scarring from fishermen that have hooked them.
Oh, here it is.
Now, will you put it through here?
On the right side, like that, yeah. Just manifest down.
On the right, stand by. Down again.
time's up.
He might be leaving. Down in front.
Wanted to, and then I was like, no, I can't do it. I like it. I like watching,
Yeah.
but I don't want to be in the water.
This one.
It's 11 o'clock, we're back already. That was nice. It's great that the sharks turned up straight away, and it was definitely good to get in the first group, because by the time the second group got in, the shark had got what they called lazy. Maybe he just figured out that he wasn't going to get any of the food. But yeah, it got really close. It's freezing cold, but it was somewhat of a taster. It just, I can sort of imagine what a big great white would be like getting that close to the cage. So I guess I'm gonna have to try and figure out where in the world to go. Maybe Guadalupe off the coast of California to go and see great whites. That was good, 100 quid, half a day out, pretty close to Cape Town. Not gonna see great whites apparently. Well, they haven't seen them for years, so God, I'm jealous of the people that managed to do it when the great whites were around. We did see a couple of whales a bit further away whilst they were sort of coming up for air. Just as good as the seals, I'd say. Actually, no, the seals were better. That was good enough. Apparently, they said that they sometimes have to wait for hours for sharks, which would be a little bit frustrating, so I guess we were lucky there. Worth doing, book in advance, because some of the more popular places were booked out. We went with African Eco Shark Explorers, I believe. I'll put a link in the description. But hopefully that's helpful.